In Canada, we don't have many brokerages that offer commission-free trading. In this video, I am going to compare two brokerages that offer commission-free trading. They are National Bank and Wealthsimple. I will share my final thoughts at the end of this video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's start with the National Bank. The National Bank is the sixth largest bank in Canada. They are the largest bank in Quebec. They are the only bank in Canada that offer commission-free trading. In National Bank, you can hold Canadian and US dollars. You can deposit $1 and start trading as there is no account minimum. You can use Norbit Gambits to transfer Canadian dollars to US dollars. But the National Bank started charging $10 per transaction. For those who doesn't know what is Norbit Gambits, it's a process to eliminate currency exchange fees. So if you don't want to transfer Canadian to US dollars, buy a stock that is listed on US and Canadian stock exchanges. Let's say you bought TD Bank stock that is listed on Toronto Stock Exchange. You can call National Bank to transfer this stock to New York Stock Exchange. Now you will have TD Bank stock that is listed on New York Stock Exchange. You can sell this stock to get US dollars. This process saves you transfer fee, but it takes 2 to 3 business days to complete the whole process. Don't do this process in high volatile stocks. There is a chance you can lose your money because of the 3-day processing time. Through National Bank, you can buy stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, bonds, debentures, and GIC. National Bank offers commission-free trading for Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. And for options, they charge $0 commission. But they charge $1.25 per contract, and they have a minimum of $6.25 and a maximum of $19.95 when the transaction is less than $2,000. They offer commission-free trading for debentures and mutual funds. The only condition they have is all the trading must be done online. So they charge a commission fee when you place an order through the phone. Since nobody is placing an order by phone, I'm not going to discuss the fee structure. National Bank offers 4 registered accounts, and they are TFSA, RUSP, RRSP, and RRIF. They also offer spousal RRSP and RRIF. If you don't know what is an RRIF account, when you turn 71 years old, your RRSP will be automatically converted to RRIF, and you will have to start withdrawing from that account every year after it is converted to RRIF. So they offer 3 non-registered accounts, and they are cash, margin, and short selling accounts. You can also open company account, sole proprietorship account, association account, and trust account through National Bank. National Bank has an annual fee of $100, but you can get this $100 waived if the value of your account is $20,000 or more, or if you are below 30 years of age, or if you're a member of business professionals, or if you have an InvestCube account. InvestCube is a platform where National Bank manages your portfolio for you, and they will charge 0.3 to 0.7 as management fee, and they call it rebalancing fee. If you deposit $10,000, then you will be charged between $30 to $70 every year in management fee. If you are planning to transfer your account to National Bank, the National Bank will reimburse your transfer fee up to $150 plus tax. But your account value should be more than $20,000, or you need to transfer the $10,000 to InvestCube to get a transfer fee reimbursed. The National Bank offers real-time quotes, watch list alerts, research tools, and technical insights by analysts. They have an advanced trading platform called MarketQ with 4 levels of market data. You can access different levels of market data. If you do 10 or more trades per month, you can access level 1 data free of cost. And if you do 40 or more trades, you can access level 2 data. And if you do more than 100 trades, you can access level 1 and level 2 with TSXV. Traders prefer interactive brokers over MarketQ because MarketQ platform is not advanced as interactive brokers, and interactive brokers offer competitive rates for the margin account. National Bank offers 3 different investment tools, and they are Market Gurus TV, Market Vision Plus, and Traders Plus. You can get free access to all these three tools if you do 50 or more trades. You can earn rewards points with National Bank MasterCard and use them to contribute towards your TFSA, RRSP, or your spousal RRSP. Now let's move on to Wealthsimple. If you are interested in opening an account in Wealthsimple, use the link in the description to get up to $3,000 in cash. Before I start, I must say I'm impressed with the platform developments happening in Wealthsimple. So let's start with advantages first. I'm a huge fan of Wealthsimple platform. It is very user-friendly and it has the best user interface for beginner investors. Wealthsimple offers commission-free trading for Canadian and US stocks, ETFs, REITs, and bonds. You can start investing through Wealthsimple even with $1 as they have no account minimum. It is very easy to open an account and deposit funds in your Wealthsimple account. Wealthsimple offers two types of account, Wealthsimple Basic and Wealthsimple Plus. Wealthsimple Basic is a free investing account and you can make instant deposit up to $5,000. This instant deposit limit resets once every 3 business days. But if you are using Wealthsimple Plus, you can make instant deposit up to $25,000. And this limit resets every 3 business days. Robinhood was the first platform in US to offer commission-free trading, but they were making money through payment order flow. But in Canada, brokerages are not allowed to make money through payment order flow. So Wealthsimple was making money from the 1.5 currency conversion fee. They did not allow us to hold US dollars on their platform, so clients were forced to pay the 1.5 conversion fee. Now they have introduced Wealthsimple Plus, where you can hold US dollars on their platform. So how they are making money if they are allowing us to hold US dollars on their platform? Well, they have introduced a $10 account fee for Wealthsimple Plus account holders. Wealthsimple also mentioned that at this point they don't offer Norbit Gambits in their platform, but they are going to implement it later, and I believe that because they are very good at improving their platform. Through Wealthsimple, you can buy fractional shares. Wealthsimple offers more than 500 stocks and ETFs available for fractional trading. If you want to buy a stock worth $1,000 and you only have $100, you can still buy a fraction of that stock in Wealthsimple. Interactive Brokers and Wealthsimple are the only platform that offers fractional trading in Canada. Through Wealthsimple, you can also buy and sell crypto, but US dollars are not available for crypto. In Wealthsimple, you can only get limited order types and order duration. The order types this platform offers are market orders, stop limit orders, and fractional orders. Wealthsimple offers customer support through phone, email, and chat, but there is a time delay to connect with an agent through chat. Wealthsimple does not offer a technical analysis platform like other brokerages. Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment accounts such as personal, TFSA, RESP, RRSP, registered spousal RRSP, and LIRA. Wealthsimple offers limited type of investment options. You can invest in stocks, bonds, REITs, and exchange traded funds. And they also provide automated investing platform as well. My final thoughts are Wealthsimple is suitable for new investors. The platform is so user-friendly and the interface won't confuse any new investors. Once you feel confident, you can open an account in National Bank to start trading US stocks. If you prefer to have all your investment in one account, then I highly recommend you to go with National Bank. National Bank offers Canadian and US accounts free of charge, and you can use Norbit Gambits to convert Canadian dollars to US dollars, but remember about the $10 Norbit Gambit fee. If you like to support this channel, use the link in the description to sign up for Wealthsimple. You will get up to $3,000 when you sign up. Unfortunately, National Bank does not offer any referral bonus, but I will still add the sign up link in the description. I hope this video helped you to choose a brokerage based on your needs. Thanks for watching.